Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I am going to show you what is HTML, CSS and explain you in deep. So what is HTML? So HTML, sorry, my handwriting is wrong in computer also. Yes, so let's remove the yes. So HTML is like your skeleton of your body. Skeleton. Sorry. Ah, is like a skeleton of your body. Ton of your body. Uh, so without HTML, your website didn't complete. Uh, and what is CSS? CSS. So CSS is your skin. Skin. Without CSS, your website didn't look good. Like whenever I open Google Chrome, here is Google. So G is written in blue color, O is written in red color, yellow, blue, green and red. So it made by CSS. Like I show you HTML use web page development, and I will explain you on. So what is JavaScript? So JS is your brain brain. I know you didn't understand this, but I will show you with an example of Google. Like here's Google. When you open Google, here is text, here is search bar, here is my account, here is Gmail, images, customize option. So so that all thing is written by HTML. And there is design like search bar is in the middle, and in top of the search bar there is Google written. So and here is our accounts and Gmail buttons. So it all designed by CSS. And whenever we type here something like I type here anything like what is HTML, so it will show up a page. So it designed by it can code by JavaScript. So that is our uh, how what is the use of JS and all that thing. So first I open a folder, I go on the my projects, here is projects. So I make a new folder which is HTML2 tutorial. Now I selected folder tutorial.html and enter it. So first what is the first thing? First we type here the exclamatory mark and then tab. So it will make this type of thing. First is doc type HTML. So what doc type HTML do? It is say to the browser that this file or this document is HTML. Then there is a HTML tag which has attribute language. So it says that language is English, and here is our head which contain meta tag. What meta tag do? Meta tag store data in there, like whenever you search something in a search engine like Google, so it will show up your website with the content that you search. Like whenever I type any question about the coding, so it will show up a link of Stack Overflow. Whenever we say something about hosting and other things, so it shows our whenever we type images of nature, water, it shows a website which contains water and nature image. So here is a title. So in title we type here tutorial #1, and here is the body. So what body contain? What live server extension do? Go here and click on open with live server. So it will open your website in the browser. So I press Windows key plus arrow key, so it will show up like this. We don't want this. uh, uh, like this. Now uh, now here is, let's uh, okay, we want it in the this mode, and now we can assign it. Now let's make the uh, we want our Google Chrome here. Now it's good. Whenever we type here any code, like for example I type here P or H1, which command can, in with the use of H1 command, we can make heading 1. Like I type this, uh, this is a heading, and when we control S to save it, so it says this is a heading. And if we enter this in here, this command here, h1 h1 this is this is a wrong way to enter heading. Control S, so it also show, but not recommend, because the head is for only title and all other things. This test 1, when I type here uh, uh, tutorial and so it says tutorial 1. So now what we're gonna do is learn the HTML. So first is our heading. So to enter heading, we type here h1, and then our heading, like this is this is first heading, and we can replicate it with Control D. You cannot do, because I assigned that a second and I type here H2. We can also make a multiple cursor by holding the Alt key. I hold the Alt key and now it is 2 cursor. Now and there is first heading and there is second heading. Now we can add up to 6 headings, like I go with 6 heading. 3 4 5 and then 6. Now it has 6 heading. So the heading 6 5, it is used in the last. Press slash forward slash, so it make a comments. So whenever I go, so it doesn't show this, although I type our code correct, but it doesn't say because it is a comment. So the our browser ignore comments. When I go here, go to view page source, here is our comment. So browser ignore the comment and only concentrate on the command. So it is our comment, and when we remove the comment, so it says second heading, second heading. So let's make it a comment, and now our heading command is ready. So the second command we need is p. P means paragraph. So to enter paragraph, first you enter heading and then your paragraph, like this. Why I always enter this wrong. This is a paragraph, and now we control S to save it. So it says this is a paragraph. We can also use lorem command to for test, like I type here p and then enter, and then I type here lorem lorem and the star and the words you want, and no star, like I want 20 words for it, makes 20 words for me. And if we want here the lorem and forward or 6 word or forward, so it makes 6 word. Lorem, first remove the dot, lorem, so let's make 40 words. So if you want to bold any of the word, like, or any sentence, like I type here strong, strong and enter, and now I type here this is a bold sentence. Control S to save it. So here is this is a bold sentence, and we also need a gap. So this is a bold sentence. If we want an italic sentence, we type here M, like this, M, and like this. So it will make a emphasis, and it is used for making italic sentence, like this is italic sentence. So here is this is a italic sentence. I will show you. Here is a this is a italic sentence. Now we are talking about input. There is an input, like input type is equals to button, enter, like I tap here, enter anything, or like press me and control S to save it. Here is a button, so we can click this button, but now it is not used. So first let's type here. There are so many things, like when you want to enter your email, here is email, or password, like I type here password, my password, and remove the ID because we don't want ID. Control S. It's like whenever I type something, so it make it on square, so means it hide that. Like I type here anything, I type my password. No, I don't know what I type, but let's continue. So here is my password input. We have so many type of input, like input, and so whenever you go on a website and log in on the website, the website show you a sign up page. So to make a sign up page or form, type a form and action. So let's make a new file, action dot html. So let's type anything in this, like I type here, you are signed in with h1. Okay, you are signed in. So we type here action.html. Now here let's make a form, like first input, type text, tell me, or it says your name, so we type your name, and we can also divide it, but I don't divide it, and type here br. So what br command do? br can br can break lines, so we can't add here. So let's add br command here, break. So br command break the line and start the new line. If we don't use the break command and type the second line, like input, and input and type is equals to text, last name, and then control S to save it and go on our websites. So it says name and last name, so there is not second line here. So if so that's the reason we want the our br command. Now it says 2 second line, and we also want one more br, control S, and now it is good. We can also remove it. It is also good, like this. Now we want a BR and one more BR, and now input and we want a radio, and then it says gender to male. Okay, we don't want here male, we want here male, and copy it, Control C. We also want a name type here, name, and name it gender. Female. Now Control S to save it. So now there is male and female, and it also has a submit buttons. Type here in, we type here submit, we want input, and then submit, and now Control S. Here is no submit. Okay, now to submit it, we want here submit input, and input let's remove it. We want to reset. Why it doesn't? We go to button, and here is submit. Now it is good. Here is a submit button, but it doesn't have a value, so we enter a value here, value. We delete the value is equals to, there is a problem, button submit type value is equals to sign up, Control S. Now when I go here, why it doesn't showing something? We can also do one thing. Type here submit or sign up. Type here my name, last name, gender, and then sign up. So it will open this, but let's save it and go here, sign up. Now it says you're signed in. So we can also go here and main page, and we can also add more thing, like after this gender we want a BR. Now when I open this file, name Nouman, last name Rahman, and gender male and sign it. So now it says you're signed in. It is good. So it is our tutorial of the HTML. So I hope you enjoy video and learn something new. Thanks for watching.